Hi, I'm Katie DeLuca and I'm going to show you how to do a Dutch braid today. With a 3-strand Dutch braid, we're going to start with a section right on the top and divide it into 3 strands. Now, like the French braid, we're going to be adding hair from the sides, but instead of going over, putting each section over, we're actually going to send them under. So I'll give you some really great tips here to show you how to manage all 3 sections. So what I like to do is put the right section under first. So now it's your middle section. Neaten that up a little bit. Then what I'm going to do is, as I'm holding this right section, I'm going to go under with my pointer and my thumb, and I'm going to grab the section on the right. So then, as I go through again, I'm holding the left section and going through to grab this section on the right. So now that we've done the 3 passes, you can see the braid forming. And what I'm going to do is add some hair from the right. I'm going to do this a little bit looser just so you can see where we're at and what's going on, but you can very well practice and make this a lot tighter and a lot neater. But I will show you at the end how to piece it out and how to make it really big and fluffy. So now I'm going to go under and pinch again here and add hair from the left. So see how it's keeping all of these pieces really separated? So just make sure you're still pinching everything and kind of keeping everything separate. So now I'm going under again with my pincher fingers. And I'm going to leave this middle section just hanging. Some people like to put it out of the way so they can see what they're doing, but I actually like to leave it hanging so I don't get lost. So here's my fingers ready for the additional section. We're going to smooth it just like we did on the French. So now I'm holding that right section and I'm going to dive under the center section and pinch the section on the left where the hair is going to get added to. We're going to keep smoothing and move on. So now we're going to twist that under and pinch with my left hand. Leave that tail hang. And then add the hair from the right side. So here we go, grabbing that hair with my right hand and pinching. We're going to add a little bit of hair from the right. So now this is one of my favorite braids to make into a half updo. So what we're going to do is now we're just going to continue on and braid it all the way down. Just make sure all the other hair is out of the way each time we swoop in. Until we reach the bottom, and I usually tie it with an elastic. Little bonus tip for you is pedaling out the braid to make it really nice and bohemian. So what I like to do is I like to start at the bottom. You can really pedal the bottom out because it's almost going to pedal itself out at the end. So you're going to start at the bottom and work your way up. So what I usually do is I pinch and I pull until it is the texture that I like. So what I usually do too is I hold the bottom of it as I'm spreading it out. Just helps stabilize it. This is a very easy thing to add into a bridal updo. Just to add a little bit of thickness to it. Everybody loves those fat braids. beautiful chunky texture.